Go.
Yeah, what's the end about it?
Johnny, you're literally no. I'm a vlogger. Okay. This is the best angle.
What is happening?
I'm a vlogger.
What are we vlogging?
Everything.
Welcome to my crazy family. Good Friday afternoon. I'm home now. Home as in my childhood house. Finals are finally over, and in 3 days I go off to camp. It's kind of crazy. Right now I'm taking a little break from cleaning, but I have this whole room to clean up because that's all of my stuff from college, and I need to get rid of a lot of stuff and keep a lot of stuff here. I'm not looking forward to it, but this afternoon was a lot of fun. I went with my cousins to the bank and to Target, and we had a lot of fun together. I miss them a lot. They're all in college now, and it was just great to hang out with them. We're all adults now and have our own lives, so we don't get to see each other very often. My cousins, fun fact, live next door to me and my family, so we grew up together. They're like my siblings, my older siblings I never had. I have a younger sister, and she's great. She's at school right now. Welcome to Cooking with Rachel. We're making ravioli tonight. The crescent rolls.
Stop! I'm gonna drop my croissant.
My croissant.
My croissant. I need my croissant. Do we have the originals?
No.
Oh, there's the honey. Oh.
Sweet Hawaiian's really good.
I know it's good, but I want the original.
Today we are making sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls.
My croissant. I need my croissant.
And Luisa, the 4-cheese tortellini.
Tortatoni.
And a pan. That's a pot. And
agua.
And ragu, because we're not prego here.
I'm so sorry.
Step 1. Pour in the water. How do I open this?
With scissors.
Oh.
Die. What's up? I'm waiting on the water. No, it's not ready. And you have to boil it. You have to wait till the water gets boiled. I'm just gonna take this room temperature water and put frozen pasta in there that needs to get cooked at boiling water for 5 minutes in there. Like, oh, you just place the bag in the water and bada bing, bada boom, they're cooked. Hashtag let's get demonetized.
Bob's Burgers. Bob's Burgers
I love Linda.
is the best show
I love
ever.
Linda. Linda
I
and
tweeted
Lisa
about
are the
it,
best.
and Bob's Burgers tweeted back at
They
me.
did?
So
They did?
They did.
What'd they say?
They were like, "Who do you relate to most?" And I didn't reply to them. But for all of you curious folk, I think I relate most to Gene.
You're curious.
He's just so funny. He makes me laugh a lot, and
Linda
his
makes me
comments,
laugh.
his comments are just the best.
I need
Right now, I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I want coffee and something cold, and that's how I feel. So come along with me. I just went through a yellow light. Woohoo! Whoa. Roundabouts are scary unless you know how to use them, and we just got a lot of roundabouts in my hometown, and no one knows how to use them, so it's scary. Okay, now into Starbucks.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have a caramel frappuccino.
All right, what size?
I'll do grande.
All right, a grande caramel frappuccino. What else can I get for you?
That's all.
All right, it's going to be $5.08.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Grande caramel frappuccino.
Yes.
$5.08. And a
Gift card,
card.
yes.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes it's so hard to tell if they're gift cards or credit cards.
I understand, right?
That'll be out in just a sec for you.
Okay.
There you go, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I'm not very much of a Starbucks drinker, but I've really found a liking to caramel fraps. I'm still not used to the coffee flavor. For some reason it's really strong when I first get it, but then once it's melted and one smooth liquid, then I'm okay. It doesn't taste terrible of coffee. So I don't know. I'm just not a huge coffee drinker. And the only thing that I found that I actually like is the caramel frap. There's a dog in the car in front of me and I'm jealous of the dog in my car. That guy looks like Simon Cowell. He's mowing his lawn and he looks like Simon Cowell.